Second session for the speaker in audit report, the auditor of party will be in audit report for the auditor's team, Kalina, Market, and report. But the members of today will let speaker to say that the report I'm also pending in annual audit report on annual audit report printed, it's in the report on the report is we have total income 1 crore 67 lakhs 4,611 income here. Total in say that Algadin annual audit Hobunga report in Chai in building account report in payment income section in payment section on in 2000 head payroll amount line. It is also housing, assembly, report for the night, Saturday, Copenhagen, Delay, auditor of China, Zone C. Atom the finance secretary, MED, Atom the MED report here, finance secretary part of the whole here. Closing balance 2,630 in China. EWDR closing balance 1,25,209 in China. EYDR closing balance 36,055 rupees in China. Departmental audit report page auditor according to Musuna join us to give result at a glance at a glance at total closing balance 11,07,839 in auditor's team in report Chongkim Ta in Piputo speaker in auditor of Wachata Sangpet Pinahin, members of Shepukela in House member Akuni auditor's suggestion in finance hall, every page closing of audit the assembly Lungel Akigel Company, assembly speaker in Tukumapat, every department of finance hall page in our course of Timota, ito ang June audit report 2025 assembly game could not agree with the auditor also assembly department proceed to the auditor hall files hall concerned department finance hall people as on the here dunia agenda of solution agenda as mino le pa game ani na jero dia to a bi isera ka tuna Atuna Honsula Chate from the table of Chunchang Alina UK 2026 again Amana in Chunga Bang Simling Chunchang 2 Resolution of Akachun Minu Game Lipake Chunchang Assembly Speaker in Board of the Learning Assembly in the Mission Month September Sudan Digin Patsana Akilan House in Board of Nagini Assembly in Patsana It's a one June assembly speaker in Kente in Bungal Digi Church Committee and see that Pihama and Resolution Alina GMPI to our Pilana Lamkai to the Chunja assembly speaker in the Mana Team Lono SPMT about Town Home Secretary in Manin. It's in the assembly head Akine and Sanae. House in Botona Guinea, the GMPI to our two action to implement boarding assembly in the Church Committee and Sina Hill. Atom Nine, Hobusula, Sate from the Tay, Bola Kisim, Pano, Abaki, Master of Hobugin, Banda, the two Tunja, say Mona, Speaker in House Ahin by House member of the Bakoni Lungel, say Mona. And the zone win. It's a Kasare, it's a non Muslim assembly, Patsana, die. I think both the Church Committee Assembly in Nansina in him. Alini, UK 2026 Mandingin Housing Patsana Akile Tomanin a partner program Mandingin Church Committee Nancy Ahi. Hichito Honjun Turkum 2026 Sula came to in a new hall, sponsors holding from assembly in Anoya Bangin, Akibungin, Akipatsai Ahi. After Nute came here, immediately sponsoring, Pate came here. EWD is sponsoring, Atuna UKB Hobungin is sponsoring. Angadle Atsayin, Howin Chun about see the Chun Chang is in the speaker house of Ahin Bulu Tokanin, Hiji, Ezeta Chun Chang, Hiljina, House Head Team Sap, Na Upaf Tangin Hindi, House Head Team Benedin, Ba Sobolin, Hiljit Bena Hindi, Up Payment Bana. Iti ahit na so apel mga tu mawat inchu sa dalinga chairman dan ka somni chekana hi UPS mga kita ding so hiyen hito manchun assembly speaker iti brick project hi housing puto na kile at sana nagkira tuloy project in buong dating church committee ng sina taling set assembly ng PBB Assembly Speaker agenda zo si Chai Thia yu ta zalon Assembly member zo si chuma ki pa chu ngin hi chule phat chai ko ni 0 hours ngin hi 0 hours ko si ma en simpan ki na e idea lo ke se ko hi pa ma na in hop song pe lo sa lung phat mo na tu asin how we ho pai le services ho din pensioner ho din le hop so people hi lung phat mo bina so ho gen chule emi box a sumi ko ro wa mo branch ni pi chu chang a so echi e pathira ti na pathina na ma ti na so ito pa hi price pi a se pasapoi ti lungyer na si he ani lai Assembly member kat UIDT annual fund budget chun chang lungyer and say hichi UID annual fund budget ki go ki appointment chale nule pate jong khalai annual fund anapichi dingin dinga tekna ngale he Assembly member kat ki pa assembly mahumi pithane na hichi department of state jong tha kila nale mizo state ideas legislation ne na assembly kumsi le koi tane kasai so he so let assembly member khat akon in ma church event is to church committee koi ham or assembly koi ham points the actual pastor probably by the church evangelist he holds ma from the amani terms the salary headset no ome so he achai le assembly member khat akon in points the open assembly in department budget ki podok the appoints the assembly chairman or speaker the pastor hi le home upaho pangthei le thai di ichanchu report hi lo the alam ji hilal ko male ji the la hi
recording assembly speaker and speaker in chairs of the all the speaker as well the 85 speaker then they also had so that if we don't to inside out zero so don't be inside to about saying idea result system committee is a form it's also is you apart if you want how when I'm not the assembly of the good see involved ama sabihin na so half year assembly yung na kung kanain ni half year assembly annual trong khát cho vào cho cũng mi tầm điều bằng vào cho cũng khát khát về cái tăng cái cái vào cho cũng khát khát về cái tầm vào em chế vào trong khát cho vào cũng mi cho vào như thế xem như na thì cho béo lên đến cũng khát khát chế cái tàu cái đi vào như thế na cái này chế cái chúng chế khó đi anh đi mò đến đại vào anh đi hỏi đến vài cái chút là đến cái này zero over la khang lai le annual fund chung sa ko ni se khang lai annual fund hi hong pum pi tong kha department ho in divide ko na la hong pum pi tong kha ho hi department na chung dai la mo pas mo ko hi hong pum pi an chung kha de ai church committee de go just start in say form wa in the so department some house right the department of the department of pum pi chu dei mo data na decision mo na de in tun annual fund dong chu thom nam pi ham ka ba sa sam le committee la ko de ai lo wai pi ham a pi ho chu lo list sil la ka ham tuni assembly ka ba tu de la annual fund bill le pelo chu nan ta ko kan nan hom to bai ni ti long chu ho bum ni ho reminder that ni na chu na chu ti long chu tham chan session kan de bum de bi jong ho bum ni bi to ni ku ha ate a hong the lo za tham khat tum jong de tu ni a ni za thum ni jong wa za thum ni ma ke de
thang lo lo 27 Ten khana 27 something.
Zatung na so na adi ma ki tu. Zat. 322 ki pam le le in kam de na. Tum ki le apat ki assembly le le zali be ki tu na. Ho let us say to the assembly to go up payment by check check to the up payment check na para say the assembly power payment by itu lo na ano siya ko church ko kinang check ye so to the by check payment apa nanti kita belum mencapai building finance mana CA ada mungkin apa nak payment C payment
C là dhamu
apa nanti satu payment na C kan mana distribution also say nangin ate